Hi, my name is Ignas and I'm studying bricklaying level 2 City Guilds. I had no clue about anything, and as I was progressing I learned how to handle a trowel, which is a lot more harder than you think. The regulations of how to actually lay a wall, and know my plums, my gauge, range, and also my height. Hopefully I'll still be doing bricklaying. Hopefully I'd make my own company to do private jobs and everything. My actual dream is to actually go abroad, like to Australia or Canada, and do some bricklaying elsewhere than UK. For anyone that is thinking about doing an apprenticeship, I highly recommend it, because it will develop a new skill of your own, and also give you a career path which will help you a lot in the long term, and honestly it's the best thing I've ever done.